Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LinkedIn Learning to build career skills, full guide step by step clearly. To start your journey with LinkedIn Learning, open your web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn Learning homepage. If you already have a LinkedIn account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to log into your LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account, click on Join Now to create one. Follow the prompts to fill in your information and complete the registration. Once logged in, locate the Learning tab in the top menu. Click on the Learning tab to access LinkedIn Learning. You may see a brief overview of what LinkedIn Learning offers. Click on the Subscription button to proceed. You will be presented with different subscription options. Review the plans available and select the one that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, you will need to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method. Once the payment information is entered, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. You will receive a confirmation email once your subscription is activated. Now you can start exploring courses tailored to your career skills. Use the search bar to find specific skills or topics you want to learn. You can also browse through categories to discover new courses. After selecting a course, click on it to view more details. To begin learning, click the Start Learning button. Enjoy your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.